Eda akabuni ya utabia wa thitima ni marugamitio wira kurumira ciuria cia utabia wa thitima ni marugamitio wira kurumira ciuria cia uguri wa transformer omwe na ugai wacio.
Minister wa hinya wa thitima Monica Juma augire transformer wira mafutha ya marugamitio ya mbere
Iserere ya kesi ya transformers ya kampuni wa thitima ya pamoja na watu ya Nairobi kwa vinya wa thitima Juma ogitema wetano na thogorine ya transformer arugamiti wira kurumirira kodi wa gitabania.
I have issues around procurement, and as you know, 59 officers have looked at that were engaged with this function of procurement, because it is important point of obtaining those transfers.
Minister yugite gukinyira riu transformer ngiri 10 iria ciunganitio kuothe bururi-ini itiraruta wira igieterera kwamũranio gatagati-ini ka iria kuthondekwo na ibenya niguo Kenya aria matineirio utungata wa thitima mathie na mbere na kwamũkĩra utungata uyu.
Over 10,000 transformers that are not functioning. Some of them can be repaired, and we hope, and I've actually given instruction, I'll be receiving a plan for that repair by Monday.
Maobitha maseseni no mugite moyage ibida ria kiumia kimwe kana mithenya iri kuthondeka transformer kuringana na gikiro kiri ithukite nakio na maita maingi kucungagirirwo ni thina wa mwaki kana thitima iria ciikirito na njira itagiriire.
The repair comes as a result of the fault that happens either in the network or the ones that or handling, that comes from the handling.
Ibida-ini ori minister uyu ni acerete mitambo-ini ya mita cia thitima kure cigago na akoria maobitha ya matigirire mitaratara yothe ni yarumiriro mwiria ikinya aguri.
I'll be looking to have conversations, frankly, with the suppliers. Because it could be possible that there are areas of concerns in terms of the quality of the meters that are coming to us. So
Monica Juma akoretwo agicera ceceni-ini itiganite cia thitima bururi-ini akiuga muoroto ni gutigirira akenya ni maramukira utungata wa thitima matari na wagagu, akiongerera gutigirira utungata uyu uratabanio utari ona iroro ria ungumania. Ngirivotera Inooro TV, Jetago Masi, wadia wa Murithi.
Muthia-ini wa kiumia giki niguo thirikari igatua kana county ni igetikirio gutabania mambura ma Jamuhuri tariki 12 mweri uyu.
Mwareki Mukaru ministry-ini ya ugitiri Karanja Kefisho iyo heanite uhoro uyu hindi ya guthurima waki wa kiaro kia Uhuru Gardens barabara-ini ya Lang'ata kuria igongona ria mambura maya rigatabanirio.
Kiharo-ini kia Uhuru Gardens guku Nairobi mihango ya mwako ihana ngaitahure niguo gutigirira maundu mothe ni mahaririku kuhotithia gukinyaniria mambura ma Jamuhuri thiko-ini kenda ciukite.
We are going to have these celebrations here at Uhuru Gardens, breaking the traditional Nyayo Stadium.
Kifisho uria niwe mutongoria wa kamiti ya kuhariria mambura ma bururi augite kamiti yake ni iganiire amuhariria wa kiharo giki uri hakuhi kugomana.
We are 95% done in terms of field preparation. All that we are waiting for is final touches.
Muigana wa andu aria magetikirie kuingira igongona-ini riri ona rita riri ni muthime niguo gutigirira mawatho na mitaratara iria migathike ya kurigiriria gutamba kwa murimu wa COVID-19 ni yarumirirwo.
We will be allowing only 10,000 people in the public sitting and about 1,000 in the main dais, so roughly 11,000.
Kuma COVID-19 yatuthuka guku bururi-ini magongona ma mambura tamaya ni marugamirio county-ini. Kifisho akiuga ni marathurima kuona kana ni magetikiria mambura maya macokerere matura-ini.
We'll be making that decision this weekend after we have carried out an evaluation of how ready the counties are to handle this, because we are aware we are not out of the woods yet.
Kuma kiumia twerekeire maabitha a mbiraru niguo makarika kiharo gukinyaniria mehaririria mao mbere ya igongona riri ria tariki 12 mweri uyu wa Dithemba. Ngiribotera Inooro TV rĩtwa nĩ Wangui wa Mwangi.
Na tugicokereria
Gavana wa Tharaka Nithi kuhoya uteithio wa irio akiuga kaunti yake nĩ ĩmwe ya iria irikĩte marũrũ-inĩ